Future Connect training, and I got my AAT exam, and I can say that my class were really good. I mean, the trainer was really prepared and really helpful, and wherever we get questions, it always answer in the best way. I'm really happy and really excited because I was feeling quite confident before my...
Hi, I'm Mahalakshmi. I have joined Future Connect training on September 2020 to pursue my AAT Level 3 Advanced Diploma in Accounting, along with my practical training in bookkeeping and VAT and accounts assistant. First of all, thank you for a great course. It is a wonderful practical course both personally and professionally. I'm really happy and thoroughly enjoying each and every lesson so far.
Hi, my name is Alexa. I just finished level 2 bookkeeping control and I passed. I'm very happy that I chose FC training. They've been very helpful and I really recommend them. Thank you.
At the moment, I'm working with a construction company doing their bookkeeping, which I'm really enjoying. The training from Future Connect also help. Like, it's basically the same thing, but it's just because we are not connected to like HMRC, you can't, but they show you like pictures of what the end result will be. So when you are actually working, you are familiar with the picture, and I'm enjoying my work.
My name's Brendan, basically been here with Future Connect since November 2020. Basically just finished my level 2 AAT. Been doing the practical assessments as well as the theoretical assessments. Works well with everyone getting around, and it's quite casual because you can actually work full-time whilst also doing study and training as well.
Hi, my name is Silva Besliu and I would like to share my opinion with you about Future Connect training. So I started with them in January. My course has been bookkeeping and payroll. So when I started, I remember my first day, I was so scared because I didn't know anything about bookkeeping, neither payroll. But my tutor being there every day by my side, she helped me with everything. She been so kind and I really loved that. So I highly recommend them because they are the best. So now I finished my courses and the recruitment team helped me with my CV, and now we applied together for jobs. So I'm gonna give them 5 stars and big likes.